What do I do if I have lots of doubts in my head? Okay, so this is a very, very good question, and I'm sure that this is something that everyone suffers with. Every one of us goes through it. I think as you develop more and as you kind of grow and as you get older, your doubts will change and some will disappear and you'll get new doubts and all kinds of things, right? So what we need to realize first of all is that doubts are a very normal thing. Okay, they're a very normal, natural thing, and in different areas of our lives, we're always going to kind of develop different doubts. The point of this, though, is for you to combat your doubts, right? One of the sources of doubts is actually shaitan, right? So what shaitan does, and this is kind of like even from a debating perspective, right? Like if you have someone who's absolutely certain on something and you want to affect them on it, what you do is you actually go to them and you start picking something which is an area which might be a slight doubt for them, right? And you start attacking the doubt. You attack the doubt, attack the doubt, attack the doubt, because that's the weakest point, right? So you need to realize that some of these doubts are actually from shaitan. And so the best fight for shaitan is actually to seek refuge in Allah. So obviously when you hear a doubt that comes to your mind, it's like you say, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. And like, don't just say it, like know what it means. It's like, I am asking Allah for shelter and protection and help from Allah, from shaitan. I want help from Allah against shaitan. So have that in your mind. And once you make it like in English and you make it conscious that you're doing that, then Allah will help you, inshallah, right? So whenever that doubt comes up, do it. And then when the doubts come up, like you need to question the doubt. Sometimes if a doubt comes up, you need to play it. It's like something says, oh my God, don't do that. It's really scary. Maybe you need to say to yourself, why? Why am I scared of it? And it'll be like, oh, you're scared because of this. And it's like, okay, so imagine that's the case. What about that? And you play that doubt out. And then once you played it out and it gets to a point where you realize actually doubt will start to really, really go down. Shaitan will go and find another doubt and it'll be like, let me bring that one because this one's not effective, right? So a lot of this is to do with the way you deal with doubts, the way you kind of think about them. Now, whenever anything happens, you can choose how you interpret that thing. You can choose to have something that's empowering or disempowering, right? So when a doubt comes into your mind, you can be like, oh my God, like, it'd be great if I could have a specific example, but let's say a doubt came in my head that, let's say I was going to do some speaking, right, public speaking, and a doubt comes in my head saying, oh my God, like they're going to be judging your bald patch, or they're going to be judging your white hair or something, right? So don't do it. Don't do it. Now, if I entertain that doubt, I will not be sitting here trying to help people, right? So what I need to do is I need to refocus and say, listen, you're being silly now. You're being ridiculous. The truth is that if someone's in a real problem and you can help them, they're not going to care that you've got white hair on your beard, right? They're not going to care about it at all. So you need to like really question that doubt and say, this is a ridiculous doubt. Do not have that doubt again, right? Because this is totally ridiculous. And the next time you have it, I won't even entertain it, right? And it's kind of like you're training your nafs that, look, you're allowed to behave like this and you're not allowed to behave like that. And I think doubts is one of those things that, really, really can get you. Just make sure that you really, really kind of hold yourself accountable. You don't let yourself, you be strict with yourself. Don't let yourself talk rubbish to yourself, and make sure that you're good to yourself and you're strong to yourself as well, inshallah.